done.
If there's no questions, then I can leave.
Governor, do you think that legalizing marijuana will only prolong this issue with drug abuse in Ohio?
I just think it sends the wrong message. You know, when you run around telling kids not to do drugs, young kids, and then they read that you know, that we might legalize marijuana, I just think it's a mixed message that's not good.
Have you voted yet, and did you vote against it?
I voted against it, yeah, of course.
Overdose deaths keep rising. What do you do about that?
Well, I think, you know, every time you think you got your hands on it, you know, then you get a situation where they've introduced fentanyl. I mean, it is a constant battle of education, monitoring, and I think all these things together, you know, are going to yield some good things. And you know, we've got people in the schools. This particular program is really important in terms of controlling prescriptions. But you know, we kind of got ourselves in a position where we've almost lost. Well, you know, we had a whole generation that had access to these drugs, and now we got to kind of work our way out of it. So there are some positive signs, but it's a battle. And then with the introduction of fentanyl, I think, as you know, fentanyl has been the single biggest reason why we've seen a spike in these deaths. And so we'll deal with that one. It's going to be an ongoing fight for a long time, and I think sometimes people get frustrated, they take their eye off the ball. I see this battle as a really great way to involve community. You know, I always talk about strengthening our neighborhoods, our communities, our families. Well, this is a way for people to engage. You don't have to be an expert in drug abuse to be able to actively work to tell kids to stay off drugs. So we're just going to keep at it and at it and at it, and we've got some good signs. But you know, we also have some things that are, you know, that are terribly sad.
Governor, switching gears.